Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. Today's 2-minute Lightroom tip is going to take well less than 2 minutes. Have you ever been in the library module? Maybe you're culling images, you're giving them star ratings, color labels, whatever reason. You're in the library module and you're just going through your images from a shoot and you're just wondering, what would that image look like if it were black and white? Well, you might be tempted to click on the Develop module, go to the Basic tab, and change it into black and white. Well, you don't have to do that. All you need to do is stay in the Library module and hit the V key on your keyboard, V for victory, and you'll change it into black and white. If you want to change it back to color, hit the V key again. So you could stay in the Library module, go through your images, cull them, do whatever you're doing, and if you're wondering what one would look like in black and white, just hit the V key. You could leave it in black and white, or you could change it back and keep paging through your images, black and white, and so on. So that is today's 2-minute Lightroom tip. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.